Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best sanitizing detergent is probably one of the most important cleaning products in your home, especially now. With so many options available, it can be tough to know which one is right for you. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of sanitizing laundry detergents, exploring what makes them effective, how to choose the best one for your needs, and how to use them properly to ensure your laundry is truly clean and sanitized. Number 5. Lysol Laundry Sanitizer Additive, Crisp Linen, 90 ounces. Tired of smelly laundry? This product is designed to sanitize and deodorize your clothes. Simply add it to your wash for fresh, clean results. This is a bleach alternative that is safe for colors and whites. It kills 99.9% of bacteria without the harshness of bleach. It is also effective in cold water. Unlike scent boosters, this product eliminates the source of bad odors. It kills the bacteria that detergents can leave behind, even in cold water. It can be used in both standard and heat machines. Say goodbye to tough smells with this advanced formula. It's designed to be an effective odor eliminator, leaving your clothes smelling fresh after every wash. Lysol is a leader in disinfection. This product is part of a range of household cleaning supplies. The best protection is prevention. This product effectively eliminates 99.9% of Staphylococcus aureus and Klebsiella pneumonia on laundry. It provides a powerful clean and sanitization. What we like? This product effectively eliminates odor-causing bacteria, ensuring your laundry smells fresh. It's also a color-safe bleach alternative, gentle on fabrics and effective in cold water. If you're looking for a laundry sanitizer that is gentle on your clothes while still providing powerful cleaning, you should consider this one. What people say. My clothes always come out feeling fresh and sanitized, and it gives me peace of mind knowing it's killing bacteria without using bleach. It even works in cold water, which honestly surprised me the first time. Just add it to the rinse cycle, and boom, germs, odors, and mystery funk, gone. Number 4. Lysol Laundry Sanitizer, Odor Eliminator for Clothes. Do your clothes still smell after washing? This product is designed to eliminate those stubborn odors that detergents can leave behind. It sanitizes your laundry, leaving it fresh and clean. Add this laundry sanitizer to every wash to kill odor-causing bacteria. It's perfect for gym clothes and activewear. It ensures your clothes are truly clean and fresh. This is a bleach alternative that is gentle on fabrics. It kills 99.9% of bacteria without the harshness of bleach. You can use it on both colors and whites. Unlike scent boosters, this product eliminates the source of the odor. It works even in cold water and is safe for all machines. It ensures a deep clean. This advanced formula is an effective odor eliminator for tough smells. It leaves your clothes smelling fresh after every wash. It's a household essential for clean laundry. Lysol is a trusted name in disinfection. This product is part of a range of cleaning supplies. It provides the best protection through prevention. This product effectively eliminates Staphylococcus aureus and Klebsiella pneumoniae on laundry. It gives you peace of mind knowing your clothes are truly sanitized. It's a powerful laundry solution. What we like? This product is designed to eliminate even the toughest odors, making it ideal for activewear and gym clothes. It contains 0% bleach and is safe for all machine types. If you have a lot of workout clothes or items that tend to hold on to smells, you should consider this one. What people say. My clothes always come out feeling fresh and sanitized, and it gives me peace of mind knowing it's killing bacteria without using bleach. Just add it to the rinse cycle, and boom, germs, odors, and mystery funk, gone. This product has been a revelation. It's specifically designed to work in cold water, making it both eco-friendly and highly effective. Number 3. Lysol Laundry Sanitizer and Scent Booster. Tired of smelly laundry? Add this to every wash in the fabric softener drawer to sanitize and deodorize. It kills many bad odors that detergents leave behind. This is a bleach alternative that effectively kills 99.9% of bacteria without the harshness of bleach. It's gentle on fabrics, effective in cold water, and safe to use on colors and whites. Better than in-wash scent boosters that just mask bad odors. This kills the odor-causing bacteria that laundry detergents alone can leave behind, even in cold water. It can be used in standard and machines. Say goodbye to stubborn odors with this advanced formula. It's designed to act as an effective odor eliminator for even the toughest smells, leaving your clothes smelling fresh after every wash. Lysol is a leader in disinfection. Shop our range of household cleaning supplies including disinfectant wipes, toilet bowl cleaners, air sanitizers, and disinfectant sprays. The best protection is prevention. What we like. This product not only kills bacteria but also viruses, providing an extra layer of protection. It's a color-safe bleach alternative with a crisp linen scent. If you are looking for a laundry sanitizer that offers both sanitization and a pleasant scent, you should consider this one. What people say. Unlike bleach, it's safe for use on colors and delicates, and it effectively kills 99.9% of bacteria that can cause lingering odors. It really helps eliminate odors that regular detergent sometimes can't handle. Safe for even delicate products using the delicate cycle. Very clean, long-lasting smell, no color fading, no skin irritation, even with my highly sensitive skin. Number 2. Lysol Laundry Sanitizer, eliminates odor and bacteria. This laundry sanitizer eliminates 99.9% of bacteria and viruses. It even eliminates the COVID-19 virus under pre-soak conditions in just 5 minutes. Use it as directed for the best results. Tired of lingering odors in your activewear? This product eliminates odor-causing bacteria from sports clothes, towels, and uniforms. It helps keep your clothes smelling fresh and clean. This formula is bleach and phosphate-free, making it gentle on most fabrics. You can safely use it on both whites and colors without worry. It's designed to protect your clothes. Using this product is simple. Just add it to your fabric softener compartment or during the rinse cycle. It works in all standard and machines, making laundry day easier. Looking for more great disinfectant products? Consider trying Lysol disinfecting wipes, disinfectant sprays, and all-purpose cleaners. They are all designed to keep your home clean and protected. What we like. This product is specifically designed to eliminate odor-causing bacteria from sports clothes and activewear. It eliminates 99.9% of bacteria and viruses. If you are looking for a laundry sanitizer that is tough on odors but gentle on your fabrics, you should consider this one. What people say. This combination is the only thing I've found that completely removes the strong scent of urine from clean laundry. Fantastic product to get rid of any of that funk that some towels tend to get over time. The best product for removing smells from stinky athletic clothing, you know, the DRI Fit material. I add it to my rinse compartment on the washing machine and the clothes come out smelling fresh. Number 1. Lysol Laundry Sanitizer Additive, Crisp Linen, 4-pack. This is a powerful laundry additive from Lysol. It's designed to kill 99.9% of bacteria and viruses, leaving your clothes clean and fresh. Enjoy the refreshing scent of crisp linen. This additive will leave your laundry smelling clean and inviting. It's a great way to add a touch of freshness to your day. This product not only sanitizes your clothes but also freshens them. It works in all washing machines, including machines. You can use it with your regular detergent. This is a 90-ounce bottle, and you get a pack of 4. This ensures you have plenty of product to keep your laundry sanitized and smelling great for a long time. It's a great value. It effectively eliminates germs that regular detergents may leave behind. This gives you peace of mind knowing your clothes are truly clean and sanitized. It's perfect for everyday use. What we like. This product effectively eliminates odor-causing bacteria, ensuring your laundry smells fresh. It's also a color-safe bleach alternative, gentle on fabrics and effective in cold water. If you're looking for a laundry sanitizer that is gentle on your clothes while still providing powerful cleaning, you should consider this one. What people say. It smells great and gets my clothes cleaner. When I add my Lysol to my laundry, I have the assurance of eliminating germs. Lysol Laundry Sanitizer assures me that myself and my family's clothes are germ, cold and virus-free. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.